To begin, break your clay into 2 larger pieces and set half of it aside. Now start forming half of it into a ball and roll it in your hands or on your paper. Next, press your thumb gently through the center, going about halfway down, and begin gently pinching and turning your pot as you go. This will create the base for your coil pinch pot. Be careful to not make your sides too thin or they may start to crack. Now let's set that part aside and begin making our coils with the rest of the clay. Break it up into smaller pieces and then take one section and begin rolling it back and forth in your hands or on your paper to create a longer, thinner coil. When your coil is about as thin as a pencil, we can now take our toothbrush tool with some water to score or scratch the edge of where we want to connect our coil to our pot along with one edge of the coil. So I'm making it rough and also adding water at the same time to now attach the 2 pieces. I am also using my finger to blend the 2 pieces together on the inside to create a stronger connection. I don't want my coil to break off when my clay starts to dry. Repeat this process with the rest of your clay, building up the sides of your pot with different coils. After all of your coils have been attached, continue to smooth and connect them on the inside of your coil pinch pot. This will further reinforce how strong your coils are and none of them will break off. When you are finished, carefully flip your pinch pot over and use your stick tool to scratch your name on the bottom. Be careful not to press too hard because you don't want it to go through your pinch pot. I will now put my coil pinch pot on the clay cart so it can dry out before it is fired in the kiln.